children. So now there are some comprehension left. Grammar portion we have already completed, and comprehension part is left, that is chapter number 11, Toby's Tale. Then chapter number 23, that is Naughty Bobby. And then chapter 29, The Playground. Then chapter number 31, On the Beach. And chapter 34, Rinky's Room. These are the comprehension left. So I'll do the explanation part in the video, and question answers I will send you as PDF, so you can write it in your book. Okay, so let's start with Toby's Tale. Open page number 40. Toby's Tale, it is a poem. Okay, so it is the frog life cycle has different stages. Okay, first there is egg, and then they grow into larva or tadpole, you can say, then young frog, and then adult frog. Okay, so as in the picture also you can see the young frog does not look like the adult frog. Okay, means they have some different structure from the this adult frog. So this means the kid, you can say here, or the young tadpole, it is asking his mom that will I be same always? I'm not as good looking as you and its father. So mother says no, you will also means change your structure, you will get the structure changed, and you will also be as handsome as your dad. So let's see. Toby Tadpole asked his mom. So the name of tadpole is Toby. So he's asking his mom, where have I really come from? Dad and you don't look like me. So ugly will I always be? So it's asking its mom that I don't look like you, like mom and dad. I'm ugly, I'm not good looking. So will I always be like this? And where have I come from? Because I don't look like you. So I've come from somewhere else? No, my dear, said Mummy Froggy. A lovely frog you soon will be. So her mother is saying that no, you will also be a means you're very lovely, you're very good looking, and you will also be a lovely froggy after few days. From rock to rock you will jump about, of that you cannot have a doubt. And like us, like we are frogs jump now from here to there. So he's saying that you will also start jumping, and there is no doubt about it. Just be patient, dearest Toby. You'll be as handsome as Daddy Froggy. So it's saying that you should have some patience. You should wait for some time, and after some time you will also be as handsome and good looking like your daddy. Sure enough, one sunny morn means morning, Toby Tadpole's tail was gone. His fat little snout shook with glee. I'm grown up at last, he said happily. So one day Sunday morning he realized that his tail, tadpoles have little tail. So the tail was gone, it was disappeared, means it's changed into frog. And it says that his fat little snout means pointed, shook with glee. Shook means moving, and glee means delight, happiness. It was moving his nose and mouth with happiness. Why? Because he says that at last I am also grown up, and now I am as handsome as my dad and as lovely as you. This is the means about the explanation of Toby's Tale, and the question answers and exercise I will give you in the PDF. So let's do the next one. Let's do the playground. Okay, so open page number 86. This Naughty Bobby, there is only fill in the blanks. So I will give you a PDF only. Page number 72. See here, Naughty Bobby is fill in the blanks. So this also I will send you as a PDF. And now we will do the explanation of next comprehension, that is the playground. 86 page. Page number 86. The playground. Boys and girls went out to play. Up on the swings, push and away. Whoosh, we come down the slippery slide. In a little toy car, we take a ride. So it's like children are in the playground and how they enjoying the swings, and they are playing and they are sliding down that swing. So they are enjoying the rides. Pass me the ball, do be quick. We can play catch ball or give it a kick. Skipping and jumping and running around. we really love our lovely playground. So it's saying they're playing with ball, they are playing passing the pass, and they are kicking the ball, they are skipping, they are jumping, they are running, and all these means fun thing they are doing. So they are saying that they love their playground because they enjoy there. 3 goes the bell. Oh, isn't it sad? But there's really no need to feel so bad. Tomorrow will be another great day. On the playground again we'll play. So it's saying that means bell has rung, so they are sad, or they have to go back again. But there's nothing to feel bad. Why? Because tomorrow again they will come and again they will play and enjoy. So this is about the playground, and here also question answers I will give you as a PDF. Thank you.